Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. E. Srinivasa, working as an assistant professor of physics in IDSG Government College, Chikmagalur. In this video, I am going to explain how to solve the problems on nuclear, which comes on nuclear detectors. This is a chapter for 3rd BSc Physics students studying in 6th SEM for paper 8 Nuclear and Particle Physics SSF 611, and this is the video for session number 12. So let us discuss the problems one by one. A GM counter wire collects 10 power 18 electron density for each discharge. When the counting rate is 1500 per minute, what is the current in the circuit, and calculate the voltage developed across 2 into 10 power 6 ohm leak resistor. This is the problem in question paper, Kuvempu University question paper, April-May 2017. Solution. They have given count rate. Let us take it as capital N, 1500 counts per minute, and also given number of electrons collected, 10 power 8, take it as small n, and also we know that charge on the electron E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Charge collected per unit time, that is Q, is equal to count rate into number of electrons into charge on each electron. That is Q is equal to count rate N, number of electrons small n, and charge on each electron is E. So count rate is 1500, small n value is 10 power 8, that is number of electrons collected, and charge on each electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Charge collected per minute is called current I, and I is equal to Q by T. You know that current is rate of flow of charge, that is Q by T. So Q is equal to NNE by T. So per minute time is 60 seconds, and capital N is 1500, small n is 10 power 8, and E is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. After simplification, we get the value of current 4 into 10 power minus 10 ampere. And also, we have to calculate the voltage developed across 2 into 10 power 6 ohm leak resistor. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So value of current is 4 into 10 power minus 10 ampere. So resistance is 2 into 10 power 6. So after multiplication, we got 8 into 10 power minus 4 volt. So this is the value of voltage developed across 2 into 10 power 6 ohm leak resistor. Let us discuss the problem number 2. A GM counter counts 500 per minute. Capital N is given. The average current in the circuit is 1.33 into 10 power minus 10 ampere. Value of current is given. Calculate the number of electrons collected by the wire per discharge. That is, we have to calculate small n value. So capital N is 500 counts per minute. Number of electrons collected small n we should calculate here. Charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. And also they have given current I is equal to 1.33 into 10 power minus 10 ampere. Charge collected per unit time Q is equal to count rate into number of electrons into charge on each electron. That is Q is equal to N E. Here count rate is given, but we have to calculate N, and charge of the electron is given. But charge collected per minute, that is current I is equal to Q by T is equal to NNE by T. Here we have to calculate small n value. Equate for small n. Small n is equal to I into T over capital N into E. So n is equal to I into T over N E. So I is 1.33 into 10 power minus 10, and T is 60 second, count rate is 500, charge an electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. After simplification, we get 10 power 8 electrons. That is, N value is 10 power 8 electrons collected by the wire per discharge. Problem number 3. A GM counter collects 10 to the power of 7 electrons per discharge. Small n is given. The average current in the circuit is 1.333 into 10 power minus 11 ampere. So value of current is given. Find the count rate per minute. Have to calculate capital N value in this problem. Charge on the electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So collect the data from the problem, and we know that charge collected per unit time Q is equal to count rate into number of electrons into charge on each electron. That is, Q is equal to N E, and also current I is equal to Q by T, that is equal to N E by T. Equate for capital N. Capital N is equal to again I into T over small n into E. So substitute all the values, and after simplification we get 500 counts per minute. That is, capital N value is, that is, count rate is 500 counts per minute. Problem number 4. A GM counter anode wire collects 10 power 8 electron per discharge. They are given small n values. If the count rate is 600 counts per minute, capital N is given. What will be the average current in the circuit? This is the problem of the same type of problem number 1. Again, count rate, capital N is equal to 600 counts per minute. So I is given, count rate is given, small n is given, and charge of the electron, you know that 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. You have to calculate the current value. So total number of electrons collected per minute is equal to NNE is equal to 600 into 10 power 8 small n value, charge on the electron value, then charge collected per minute is called current. I is equal to Q by T or NNE by T. Substitute all the values and simplify. You get the value of current as 1.6 into 10 power minus 10 ampere. Problem number 5. A self-quenched GM counter operated at 1000 volt V is given and has wire of diameter of 0.2 millimeter. The radius of the cathode is 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter, and the tube has the guaranteed lifetime of 10 power 9 counts. What is the maximum radial this is electric field, radial electric field, and how long will the counter last if it is used on an average for 30 hours per week at 3000 counts per minute? Assume 52 weeks per year. So one correction here, this is not magnetic field, this is electric field. Solution. Given V is equal to 1000 volt, A, radius of the wire is equal to diameter by 2, that is diameter is 0.2 millimeter, 0.2 over 2 millimeter is equal to 0.1 into 10 power minus 3 meter, and B, radius of the cathode 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So guaranteed lifetime is 10 to the power of 9 counts. The maximum radial electric field is given by E is equal to V over A into log E B by A. This is the working condition for GM counter. So V is equal to, 1000 volt here, you can substitute here, and A value 0.1 into 10 power minus 3. Convert this natural logarithm into common logarithm by multiplying 2. This is 303. 2.303, not point, log 2 into 10 power minus 2 B value and B value, and A value 0.1 into 10 power minus 3. So here substitute the value of V as 1000 volt, and after some simplification we get the E value, electric field 1.887 into 10 power 6 volt. Let capital N be the lifetime of the tube in years. Therefore, guaranteed lifetime is equal to N into, you have to calculate N, 52 weeks are there, and also here 30 hours per week. So 52 into 30 weeks and into 60 per minute. Per minute they have given, converted into second, into counts 3000. So the guaranteed lifetime is 10 to the power of 9. 10 to the power of 9 guaranteed lifetime. Substitute for guaranteed lifetime 10 to the power of 9 into N into, if we simplify all this, we get 2.8 into 10 power 8, and capital N is equal to 10 power 9 or 2.8 into 10 power 8. So here 10 power 9, 10 power 8, only we get only 10 is there. So 10 over 2.8, 10 power 9 minus 10 power 8 gives only 10. So capital N is equal to 10 over 2.8. So simplify, you get 3.5612 years. So N is equal to, that is lifetime of the tube, 3.5612 years. I have used all these books as reference to solve these problems. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.